Hey, what's up, everybody? This is part 2 of this toolkit opening. I got these 4 packs here that I'm going to open for you. We're going to start off with the Magic Origins. If you can hear in the background, Willa is here, but she's being a little camera shy. Akron Servant is our first card, if it'll focus. Come on. There we go. And then we got a Yoked Ox. Ew, Catacomb Slug. That's a really creepy looking monster. Aven Battle Priest. Maritime Guard. Timberpack Wolf. Stalwart Aven. Let's see, a Guardian Autonoman. A Leaf Gilder. No. Gilder. Alchemist Vial. Elemental Bond, which is an uncommon. Eye Blight Massacre. A Blight Caster. And our rare is going to be Orbs of Warding. We also got a Forest. And then our token card is Ashaya the Awoken World, which is a 4/4 token. Let's see if I can get that to focus on there. It's a pretty overkill token. Okay, next we got Fate Reforged. Let's see if I can get that to focus before I start. There we go. Abzan Advantage. A Refocus. Douse in Gloom. Will of Naga. Abzan Sky Captain. Alicia's Vanguard. Defiant Ogre. Whispers of the Wild. And Collateral Damage. Break Through the Line. Valorous Stance. Orc Sure Shot. That's uncommon. And then our rare is Rally the Ancestors. Oh, and then we got a foil one here. Is that uncommon? That's Monastery Siege. That's really shiny. I like that little emblem down there. Then we got a Land as a Scored Barons. And then just a little ad, I guess, for a t-shirt. Okay, we're going to move on to Dragons of Tarkern. Focus. Sandstorm Charger. Colligan Skirmisher. Colligan Aspirant. Light Walker. An Enoch Artillerist. A Monastery Lore Master. Fate Forgotten. Misthoof Curran. Tygum Strike. Summit Prowler. Okay, we're on to the uncommons. And then got an Inspire Call. A Lurking Arnyx. A Bell-Toll Dragon. And our rare is a Stratus Dancer. Then we got a Mountain and just another ad. Gotta move on to this last pack. Journey into the Nyx. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Eagle of the Watch. Font of Fertility. Firaxa's Chosen. A Font of Fountains. Aegina's Presence. Ravenous Lyricrota. That's a weird. Lyricrota. Lyricrota. Whatever. That's a crazy one. Aspect of Gorgon. Flame Speaker's Will. Oppressive Rays. Pin to Earth. A Spite of Mogus. We got a Whitewater Naiads. That's our uncommon. Next uncommon is a Spire Spine. That's a really cool artwork on that one. And then our rare is a Daring Thief. Then we got a Plains and another ad card. Okay, that's going to be it for this box. And tune in next time when we open something else magic maybe. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.